In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a product on Alibaba and bring it straight into your Shopify store using the built-in dropshipping workflow. Start by heading to alibaba.com and signing in to your buyer account. Being logged in is important because the dropshipping tools live inside your account dashboard. On the top right of the homepage, open your profile menu and click My Alibaba. This takes you to your buyer hub where you can access orders, messages, and most importantly for today, the dropshipping section. Open dropshipping to get to Alibaba's curated workspace designed for importing products to your store with just a few clicks. Inside the dropshipping area, choose Find Products. You'll see a catalog tailored for dropshippers. Take your time browsing and use filters to narrow down to your niche and target market. Look closely at supplier ratings, processing times, available shipping methods, and where the item can ship. Read the product details carefully, including materials, sizing, included accessories, and variant options, and check the photo gallery for quality. It helps to think ahead about your product page, which images best represent the item, how you'll describe benefits, and what margin you can achieve after shipping and fees. When you found something that fits your store, open the product page to review specifics one more time. From here, click Start Dropshipping. This button launches Alibaba's import flow. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred partner, essentially the app or connector that sends the product to your Shopify store. Pick the tool you already use or the option that's recommended in your region. If it's your first time, you may be asked to authorize the connection to Shopify one time so the import can proceed. Next, you'll see an import panel. This is where you prep the listing before it lands in Shopify. Update the product title for clarity, select which variants to include, and choose the best images. Set your pricing, factoring in shipping costs and your desired profit margin, and consider a compare at price if you plan to show a discount. Double-check shipping options to your target countries so your delivery estimates are realistic. When everything looks good, click Import. After importing, the product will appear in your Shopify admin, typically as a draft. Give it a final polish. Confirm descriptions, tags, and collections, preview how it looks on mobile, and publish when you're satisfied. That's the full process. From Alibaba's dropshipping hub to a ready-to-sell Shopify product.